Oh, hi. In today's class, we'll be talking about the different angles that we have in mathematics. So, stay tuned. Come back. So, first, we're going to start by defining what an angle is. So, let me write that down. Angle. Well, you could say that an angle is formed where two lines meet at a point, where they meet at a point. So if you have this line coming over here and another line maybe might be a vertical line straight up from straight up down here. Now this junction here, an angle is what is created. Then it can be slanted. The line can be slanted. So it can be something like this. Either way, once they intersect, that's the word I was looking for. Once there is an intersection, then an angle is what is formed. Okay? Now the degree of this angle depends. It depends on a lot of factors. So we'll come back to that. So let's go forward and discuss the different type of angles that we have. So I'll start off with what we call angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. The sum of angle on a straight line is equals to 180 degree. Now what does that mean? Well, it means that if I have like a straight line here and I have a number of other lines attached to it, something like this, here we have like three other lines. So, from here to here to this point, there is an intersection here. So already there is an angle formed here. And also this line forms an angle here too. Let's say angle P. Here also, this and this forms an angle here, which is what angle? Let's say angle Z. And this also forms an angle S. So angle on a straight line is just telling us that the sum of all this angle on this particular straight line is 180 degrees. So it means that angle theta plus angle P plus angle Z plus angle S is equal to what? 180 degree. So what to look at for when you are considering angle of a straight line is, wait, can I see a straight line in this particular equation? Yes, if so, then you apply the what you know about angle on a straight line. So going forward, we'll talk about another type of angle. We'll call that one alternate angle. Alternate angle. Okay. So alternate angle, I'll use a diagram to represent that. So if I have something like this is a diagram. If I want to represent alternate angle, by the way, when we mean alternate angle, it simply means that alternate angles are equal. We usually use diagrams, or they can just literally write it in words. Okay. So let me use this diagram to explain it. If we have this shape here, or this diagram here, and we have something like this here, of course here there is an intersection, so there's going to form an angle is going to form here. Then if an angle forms here and also forms here, let's say this is angle A and this is angle B, we say that angle A and B are alternating. In other words, whatever value A has, B will equally have that same what value. That's what alternate angle is about. Now, as you can see, it's always this way. You have to know the shape, because so you don't confuse it when we start talking about corresponding angle. So it can also be this way, this and this, angles C and D. They are say what? Alternate what? Angles. So going forward, let's talk about the next angle, which is what? Corresponding angle. Is similar to alternate angle, but they say some difference. Corresponding angle. And by the way, corresponding angles are also what? Equal. If two angles are said to be corresponding, it means that they have the same numerical value. So I'll use the same shape that I drew earlier. Now if you want to know a corresponding angle, it's going to be something like this. This and this is A and this is B. We can say that A and B are what? Corresponding. In other words, they have the same value. Now how do you know this? Look at a vertical line and look at two horizontal lines. Each forming an angle, but look at where the angle is positioned. It's positioned on top of what the horizontal line, and same thing here on top of this what horizontal line. And another thing peculiar about this corresponding angle is what they are all in one part or one side of the vertical line. But if you look at the one of alternate angle, you see this is the vertical line, but they are in different sides of the vertical line. So that's how to differentiate alternate and corresponding angles. So the next one we're going to talk about, I don't want to make this video too long. I will do another video to explain the remaining type of angle that we have. We're going to talk about what we call vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle too are equal. So with the name vertically opposite, you already know that a vertical line is going to be in place. So something like this, if I have something like this here and here, okay, just take note of where the angles are placed. If this is angle A and this is angle B, then they are said to be A and B are said to be vertically opposite, and in that case they are going to have the same numerical value. So this is what we call vertically opposite. It can also be here and here, yeah, so they are all attached in one horizontal line, yeah, but they are opposite of each other. Okay, this is angle C and D, they are also vertically opposite. Then it can also be here and here. It can be angle E and F, they are vertically opposite. Same thing here, angle G and H, they are also vertically opposite angle. So that is it for now. I will come back and explain the other types of angles that we have. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you did, please give this video a like and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya.